Hey guys, I will try to keep this short so you all can get back to your evenings. But I did trade today. I ended up being majority break even, so nothing crazy. This was today's, yeah, I made $3, made $14, and then lost $17. I will go ahead and go over those trades right now. They were super de-risked because I didn't love how price was setting up. I took a trade this morning because I was bullish. I took a trade right here. Um, as we retraced into this order block. And then I took it up aiming for these highs, and I ended up getting stopped out. We ended up going lower and taking out these lows before we went up and took out my draw on liquidity, which was those highs, and similar, very similar to the evening, or I guess the afternoon, where I took a long here, which was just a little turtle soup off of this low, and then I got stopped out, just break even, and then I took another long right here. Ooh, there's probably some confluence on the 15-second that I used, but I got stopped out because I put my stops below this low. I got stopped out, but that was the exact candle that I then reversed on and went to my take profit. So that was really annoying. I'm wondering if there was something that I missed because it's very possible that I missed something. Like on the 1 hour. There's typically like I typically like to make it, yes. See, this doesn't make any sense. So there was this 1 hour bullish fair value gap. I was interested in this. I said this hourly fair value gap could be means for a reversal. That would be awesome. That would be sweet. I'd love to see that. And then I was thinking, well, maybe we'll get a turtle soup off of this 15-minute low. We then get that and we continue just making these lower lows on lower time frames on the 1 minute. See, we just make a low and then a lower low and then a lower low. So I don't really know what I missed or if I didn't miss something and it was just a price thing. I'm not totally sure. But these look like equal lows. Yeah, those are equal lows that were made. I don't know what I don't know what I missed. I think Axel caught some crazy trade today. It was like down here and he like took it all the way up to here or something. It was insane. Um, I'm not totally sure what I missed in here. I'm unsure. Yeah. I I just don't know if there was some like higher time frame confluence that I missed because I mean I was bullish after we had this. So like here in the morning, one thing that I messed up was we had a very bearish reaction off of this buy side liquidity. We created an enormous rejection wick, which then I could have been like, oh okay, well if we're gonna create a huge rejection wick, I could have taken shorts in here down to these lows right here. Or even I guess these lows wouldn't have been ideal. These lows would have been ideal, and then these lows, but I would have gotten stopped out for the rest of my position. So that would have been the ideal trade. And then seeing that after the morning session, we do have that 1 hour market structure shift where we do start expanding to the upside. And we get this expansion to the upside. I just like right in here, this is our PM session. Our PM session, in my opinion, should have been reacting off of some high time frame key level. Maybe this was what it was. Maybe that's what it was. Yeah. But no, because look, that high is taken out there, and then we continue making lower lows. Like, I I just don't understand why this wasn't cleaner. Maybe it's because we're just not getting clean price action yet, but I don't know. This just genuinely isn't clean yet. We make this turtle soup here, which made me compelled to make this trade here, which then I just get stopped out, which I don't know what you want to call this then. Is this a sell side liquidity sweep and this is turtle soup? Like I just I don't really know what we're looking at here because I don't know. This is just this is not very pretty in my opinion. Maybe it looked better in the 1 minute. No, it still doesn't look very much better. It's just like a sweep, a sweep, a sweep. Like I don't know how that looks. I don't know how I'm supposed to be looking at that. I don't know. I wasn't thrilled about afternoon's price action. I was kind of annoyed, honestly. Morning's price action is what it is. I wasn't annoyed by any means. I missed this. It is what it is. Maybe there was something I missed in there. I feel like I looked at this earlier this morning, but I don't think I missed anything here. No, I don't think I missed anything. This, I don't really know what I could have done in this situation when all we did was take out the sell side liquidity on the hourly, which we then had a bullish response off of, which was the close of that, yeah, 10 a.m. candle. Yeah, which I was not like, I wasn't particularly attached to any of this. The AM session, in my opinion, was not great, but this PM session I feel like should have been a lot more readable. This was the obvious draw on liquidity. I could see that. I just don't know why this entry wasn't better. Anyways, this has been making me go insane for the past few hours as I've been building a high time frame market structure analysis indicator that I'm still working on, but it is a thing. It is definitely a thing that I'm getting annoyed about, but it's all right. I wish today would have gone to better. It would have gone better. I'm sure tomorrow will probably go better. We'll see. But like I said, I lost a total of 50 cents. Nice on the day. But other than that, I'm gonna go to bed. I hope I didn't take too much of you guys' time. Thanks for watching, and I will be back tomorrow. See you guys.